Hi, I'm Mantak Chia. I invite you for the woman workshop using the Tao, how to take care of your breast and your menstruation and to strengthening the woman's stronger body. Woman is very special because woman is very complicated to build. And that's why God built man first, a simple model. And after that, it's not complete. There's something wrong here. So it's just I want to build a more complicating person, and that's a woman. The woman is second model. So second model is better than the first model. So when you build a woman, oh my God, how them going to have baby, they have breast, they have all uterus, ovary, all these things is so complicated than men. So that's why in a Tao state, if a mother pregnant and is have a boy, after they're born, they only take 2 weeks to recover. But if the woman have a woman, and when a girl born, it take 1 month to recover. That means take 2 more weeks, because a woman have a girl, the body have to build so many complicating things. Okay, so woman can do everything men do, but men cannot do what the woman can do. Okay, women can have children, can raise children, and can cooking and go out and be and the CEO and the office and everything. They can do everything. Okay, so we call nowadays we call the woman is very in the business. The richest person in the world is all the women, because men die early and have everything for women. Okay, and women hold the money. So that's why women is very complicated. Women after the menopause, they become we call super lady. Yeah, because they have no more menstruation, so all the energy go back to the strength and brain. So a lot of women after the menopause, they become, we call the super lady. Yeah.